Provides tight fit to the wheels. Transmits power without slipping. Made of high-quality material. Increases product reliability and enhances performance. Easy maintenance. Vehicle fitment. Jeep, Cherokee 1999 to 2001, Wrangler 1999 to 2006. Timken axle bearing and hub assemblies are designed to support the vehicle's weight. These bearings are lubricated, sealed and complete with hub assembly. They provide tight fit to the wheels and transmit power without slipping. These hub assemblies are maintenance-free, easy to install and increase product reliability while enhancing performance. Top reviews from the United States. Well made, fits perfectly. What can I say? Perfect fit, well made, easy installation. Did both front axle. 2006 Jeep TJ with Dina 30 front and running 33 tires. Time will tell how well it holds up. Great product. Very happy so far.